The following portion of Great Day KC is sponsored by Wallentine Injury Law.
Hey you guys, I'm out here at Wallentine Injury Law in Olathe, and I'm going to stop in and see what my friend Jerry's up to. Hey Jerry!
Hey Carrie, good to see you again.
How's it going?
Going great. We're just here strategizing over a case.
Awesome. Who do you have here?
So this is Sarah. She's one of my legal assistants, been helping me for almost 3 years now.
And what about over here?
We got CJ. He's an attorney and he's amazing.
Amazing. Sarah, what do you like best about working in personal injury?
Well, I think the thing that I like most about working in personal injury is I like advocating for our clients. So usually by the time that they get to us, they've undergone some form of traumatic situation, they're injured, they're hurting, and then on top of that, they have to deal with insurance companies. So I like the aspect of when they come to us, we try to earn their trust progressively through time, and then reach a good settlement that they're satisfied with. So it's kind of the process of, one, advocating for them, but also we like to make them feel seen and happy.
Yeah, that makes complete sense. CJ, what about you? What do you like about working in personal injury?
You know, there's a lot of aspects that I really enjoy about personal injury, but two main aspects I would say. The first is that with personal injury law, every case is different and every client has a different injury, so I'm always having to challenge myself and learn something new. But I also am very thankful to have an opportunity to help people that are in need. Everybody who comes to us, kind of like Sarah said, they're in need of an advocate, and so I'm thankful to be in a position where I can provide them services to help get them the compensation that they need.
Yeah, really cool. Jerry, you have numerous staff. Is it worth the cost?
Definitely. Two things I would say. First, I get to come to work and be with people like this that are like-minded, on fire to help our clients, so it's just fun and enjoyable. But number two, it gets results for our clients. And so my clients have somebody that's not only the attorney involved, but a dedicated legal staff that knows their case, knows their name, knows what's going on, keeps the file organized, keeps me organized. And we just found over the years having dedicated legal staff helping the attorneys helps get great results for the clients.
What would you tell someone who's afraid that their case might get lost and everything else that's going on, but you guys really have that family-like feel that can benefit them? Talk to us more about that.
I appreciate that. Yeah, we are, we're a smaller firm, so we don't have 50 attorneys, but we're big enough where we have the resources to be able to do some, major, cases. But we're small enough where, I know who you are, the legal staff that's assigned to you, they know who you are, they know what's going on your case, and they know the little things that can cause problems, and so we're on top of it. So it just, I think it makes a big difference that way.
So does the client pay extra because there might be more people on their case?
No, not at all. Clients don't pay, first of all, unless we win the case for them. It's contingency. And while there is a cost to having legal personnel, that's not something we spread to the client. That's just part of doing business, and it helps the client, so it helps us, and we're happy to do that.
Absolutely incredible. If you've been injured, you need Jerry. Go to youneedjerry.com.
The preceding portion of Great Day KC was sponsored by Wallentine Injury Law.